In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up an administrator account in Brivo Access that will integrate with Brivo Smart Home. First, log into your Brivo Access account by navigating to access.brivo.com. Once you're logged in, select Administrators from the menu. Next, select Create Administrator. Fill out the required fields using BSH integration followed by Do Not Delete for the name. This is to avoid someone deleting the user, which would result in a break in the integration. Enter the name exactly as shown here. Use a common company email address. Once you've filled in all profile information, click Roles. Select Add Roles. Then, assign the role as administrator. Below this, leave the default assignment set to all. Then, select Create Administrator. After creating the administrator, log out of your Brivo Access account. Next, you'll log into the email account you set up for your administrator. Open the email from Brivo and select Get Started. Proceed to set up your new account by creating a password. Remember, this password will be needed to complete the Brivo Access integration. Your administrator account is now set up and ready for integration.